We have messy carpets, teenagers and a dog. So we're gonna get that clean, right, Wyatt?
Yeah, we're gonna.
There he is, the culprit. We're gonna make our cleaning solution instead of using this, which is very expensive and has lots of toxic ingredients in it. We're gonna make it with our Norwex stuff. So first, we're gonna use a half a teaspoon of the Ultra Power Plus. It's a multi-purpose product and works really well all around the house. So I'm just gonna use a half a teaspoon, and we're gonna put that directly in the carpets, the cleaning solution side of the tank. And I also am gonna add microfiber cleaner laundry booster. So I'm gonna add a half a tablespoon of this. This gets deep down, stuck in stains out, and just kind of lifts some things that might be more embedded in the fibers. And the third thing I'm going to use, which you don't have to use all of these, your Ultra Power Plus is definitely your foundation, but you can add the other things as needed. We're in puppy training phase, so I feel like I need all of them. Now this is the Brighten White. This is the Brighten White Laundry and Home Booster. This is marketed for use in the home as well. So hopefully this will brighten up the carpets and get the whiter areas white. So I have a total of a teaspoon and a half of product down there. And so this is in the carpet cleaning solution tank. So now I'm gonna fill it up with warm water or kind of hot water from the sink. That way it can dissolve. All right, let that dissolve for a couple minutes before we get started. All right. Nice. All right, I'm up to the fill line. So now, since we are in the middle of potty training and pets can leave, you know, the yucky odors and stuff from pet messes, I'm gonna use some of our odor eliminator, and I'm just gonna use a cap full of this in the clean water tank, which will be used to rinse out the rug. So first I'm gonna fill it up. And it shouldn't take that long. So now we're going to put just one cap full of this in the clean water solution tank. And that's gonna help get rid of the odors from pet messes and just life in general. Okay, I've got the container loaded up on this Hoover carpet machine. So let's go, and then we'll take a look at the rinse water. We're at the sink. Let's see what we did. Now, again, we did half of the carpet. So I'm just doing it one side to see if I can see a big difference. I did notice the blues were much brighter, and all right. God, how gross. All right, but we are gonna rinse it out really good. And I'm just gonna do one side and see if I can see a big difference. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I just finished that side. Now I'm gonna do this side, but look at the difference. Just looks nice and teal. The light browns coming back. And there's some areas over here that are white that actually look white again. So all in all, and this is the side I need to do. And the colors are not bright. The white looks stingy. So let's see. Hey, what you doing? Okay, we're on our second dump. So this is the beginning of the second side. So I will tell you that it does smell better. I'm glad I used the odor eliminator in it. Odor eliminator is an enzyme-based product, and it actually finds the source of the odor. Ugh. It doesn't just mask it. So it gets down into the fibers and really lifts, eats it away. I think of enzymes in our enzyme products like little Pac-Men that eat away at organic matter. So we'll actually remove the odor instead of just covering it up for a few hours. And now I'm going to repeat the process with my cleaning solution, right? So we're going to do the same thing we did before. So I have my tank. Actually, that looks pretty full still. So I just need to fill up the rinse tank. and put a little bit more odor eliminator in there. We'll put another capful in, and then we'll go finish up that second side. All right, fun. Good workout. Looks so much better. Look at the colors coming through. Oh, so dull and plain. It's bad. And then we've got, look, they just look so much better. And easy and fast. We love fast and easy. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.